Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to recover Instagram draft. So the first step is go to the application of Instagram, and after that you need to go to the down part. You pick here in your profile option, and after that you need to go to the superior right corner in these three lines. You pick here, and after that you need to pick here in the option in your activity, and you need to go to the recently delete. You pick here in this option. This is the part of remove and archive content. You pick here in recently delete, and in this option in recently delete, the only thing you need to do to recover this option is pick here in these three buttons, and you pick here in restore. So after you pick in restore, you need to confirm that like put a code the Instagram sent to you in your email, and you can restart that draft and you can post it again. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.